We're really doing this, huh? I mean, that's nothing. I think we can do this.
Yeah.
Okay, back on the 57 Ford F-100 to 2008 Ford Explorer chassis swap. Good grief, just saying that is hard. We've got some new 8mm.
We do.
Yeah. I think all I've got left are a couple of grounds on the harness and this, like I said, this washer fluid reservoir thing. So a little update, we've got the engine running as it should. So something that we've discovered after tearing this apart, there's practically nothing that goes through the firewall, which will make it a lot easier to do. I mean, and the two things that I had to take out are two things you'd take out anyway on a swap. The steering column and the brake assembly. The rear section above the axle doesn't come up near as tall as the Crown Vic, so I don't think you're gonna have to get into the frame as much. Now, the part behind the axle on this factory frame does kick up, but we're gonna cut that off anyway. I can put that wherever I want to. These may be the go-to for chassis swaps moving forward instead of Crown Vics. Do you know where the electric ratchet is?
No,
I can't find it. Yeah, we'll just get all this wiring somewhat out of the way. I think this is pretty much unplugged. No. So I've unplugged all the steering column stuff. I've got to label that for sure because that will keep the vehicle from running. Get this out the way. You ever find that ratchet?
no, I didn't find it.
How do you lose an impact ratchet? Is my underwear showing?
No, it's not.
Start some OnlyFans. It's nauseous to even think about.
I know.
I don't know what that is.
It probably goes.
Yeah, we're gonna put that over there, would you? That's gonna rear its ugly head, I promise you. Because, I mean, that's nothing. I think we can do this.
Yeah.
Or I wonder if I can do this with the plasma.
That might not be a good idea.
You don't think so?
Oh, maybe.
Wouldn't that suck? We finally got it running right and I catch the thing on fire.
Yeah. That would be bad.
Isn't that crazy how loud those motorcycle radios are?
I know.
If you guys haven't done all your Christmas shopping, go to Art Captain. I'll put the link in the description. Get something cool for your grinding fool. Okay. Look. Wooku wooku. What the hell was that? That's interesting. Just not sure if that's everything. Oh, here's a ground that's connected. Get this ground loose. I think it's coming off.
You do?
I think so. Normally I'd say don't try this at home, but I mean, it comes up. Try it at home. Hang on. Oh man, my roll of tape. Whoa, there you go. Go on, go. Whoa. All right, give it hell. Go on. Oh, Nimrod.
That was pretty good.
Do
It's
what?
better than pulling it off.
Did you see it up in the air?
Yeah,
It's pretty funny. No real damage. This is going to be my only concern is because if I shorten this frame, this fuel tank is too long and it's plastic. So good shit, homie. Or you can put your hand up there. Ah, all right, let's go get the red track. Okay. God dang, boy. Slow down. Go. That way, that way, that way, that way. Lord help us. Just stop. This kid is crazy, man. I don't think I need these, but I'm gonna put them in the bucket. Oh man. Now let's see what we got. These are yours, aren't they?
I think so.
So we're just gonna go. You sweating balls in that hoodie?
A little bit.
All right, just go over the wheel. Right there. Just let it sit. All right. Needs to go back. Let's pick it up. Go straight forward of it. Yeah, we got to cut those shoehorns off. All right. There, hold what you got. You got it? I need another landscaping timber. Good. Oh, shit. Oh, this ain't heavy at all, is it? Gently just set it up there. Just want to see how far off we are. All right. So we need to raise this thing up that much in the back. It's got to come up. Got it? Set yours down. Okay. All right, now let's try the hood again. That intake is so damn big. These may be the go-to for chassis swaps. Okay, so as you can see, we've kind of mocked up the front end. Nothing permanent, it's just a temporary placement to see where we are as far as how low we can get the body down as far as ride height. It's a little taller than the red truck and Mary Jane. It's about 3 inches higher. This one's gonna be more of a truck. We're trying to stay out of the bed this time. We're trying to make it truck-ish at the very least. Happy with it. This isn't centered yet, nor is this. This is just to see how low the body can go without hitting the top of the intake. And it on the cross brace, which isn't attached to the hood yet, you saw that in a previous episode. It is on the very back of the intake for now, but we're close enough to where we can tell where it's gonna be. Even though it's not centered left or right, you can already get a visual of how much wheel well space you're gonna have for the turning radius. And it seemed, I need to put a tape measure to it, measure the BroncoVic or Mary Jane, but it seems more narrow. There's a lot more space in there. I think it's gonna be really, really, really cool. In the back, you're not gonna have that obnoxious Crown Vic axle to deal with. You're gonna have to deal with these, and you're gonna have to have access to change your shocks and struts on the back through the bed in some capacity if you can't reach up under there. There's some variables that we're gonna have to address that we've never had to address, and that's the whole point of doing this, and that's the point of filming it. Don't know if it's gonna work out yet, but stick around and you can find out as soon as we do. I'm not gonna hide anything. This is the first time we've used an Explorer, and so far, I'm really pleased with it, except for the plastic gas tank that occupies the whole length of the body. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this episode. Be on the lookout for new Tetanus episodes. Be on the lookout for more of the 57 F-100 swap. We haven't named that yet, so put that in the comments. If you've got a name that's cool, we'll use it, and who knows, maybe I'll send you something. The wagon will be in the mix for 26. I know we keep talking about it, but that's coming up. And also, if you subscribe to the channel, or even if you just watch it and you like something, go to our Facebook page and hit that like. I'm trying to grow that thing over there to get a little more traction. So if you could be part of that, I'd appreciate it. I guess that's it. Go to muggcustoms.com, buy you a t-shirt. It's not this one, but we have them on there, and stickers. Do the things. Can't do it without you. Chasing the rabbit, the carrot. The rabbit or the carrot, I don't remember which. But anyways.